Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of effective writing planning with 5 unique planners designed to help you master the skill of writing in English. So grab your notepads and let's get started. The first planner is a 7-day English writing challenge planner, perfect for intermediate learners who are ready to take their writing skills to the next level. In this planner, Day 1 starts with reading a blog post in English. When you read a blog post, pay attention to the new words and phrases that you learn. Take a break to write down these words and phrases so that you can remember them. You can also use a dictionary or thesaurus to look up the meaning of any words that you are unfamiliar with. Next, set a timer for 10 minutes and write whatever comes to mind without stopping to edit or judge your work. Don't worry about grammar or spelling at this point. Just focus on getting your ideas down on the paper. Once the timer goes off, you can read over your writing and edit it for grammar and spelling. Getting feedback on your writing is of utmost importance. It can help you improve your skills. You can get feedback from a friend, family member, teacher, or tutor. Ask them to read your writing and give you specific feedback on your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and content. You can also use online writing tools to get feedback on your writing. Once you have gotten feedback on your writing, you can revise and edit to improve it, keeping in mind to address the feedback that you have received. Day 2 delves into brushing up your grammar skills. First, watch a video in English about grammatical errors. This is a great way to learn about common grammatical errors and how to avoid them. You can refer to my previous videos tailored for the purpose. I have shared the link in the description. Taking a quiz on English grammar is a good way to test your knowledge and identify areas where you need improvement. There are many free quizzes available online, so you can find that is appropriate for your level. It's very important to solve at least one editing and omitting exercise, as it is a practical way to apply your knowledge of grammar by editing or omitting text. There are many grammar books and online resources that offer editing and omitting exercises, so you can find one that is aligned with your learning style. Don't forget to write for 30 minutes in English about a topic that you are struggling with so that you can practice your writing skills and improve your fluency. Choose a topic that you're interested in, but that you also find challenging. And again, taking feedback from family or friends can be a helpful way to identify areas where you need improvement. Once you have received feedback, revise and edit your writing to polish your work and make it the best that it can be. On day 3, we will define advanced writing goals, setting the bar higher and explore various types for more diverse writing. Start the day by listening to an English podcast or audiobook to improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary. There are many podcasts and audiobooks available online, so you can find one that is interesting to you and that is at your level of English proficiency. Don't be shy to take notes on any new words or phrases you learned and to learn how to use it in your own writing. You can also use a dictionary or thesaurus for the same purpose. When you aim at becoming a classic writer, learning about different writing styles and techniques is interesting, right? And it's important too. This will help you to develop your own unique writing style. There are many books and websites available that can teach you about different writing styles and techniques. I will share names of few in the description box. Next, try to write either about your takeaway from the podcast or audiobook or your review about the same. This is a great way to practice your writing skill and to apply what you have learned about different writing styles and techniques. And then share your writing in a group to get feedback and to improve your skills. You can find a group online or you can make one in your local community. And always remember, when working on feedbacks, work on the positive feedbacks. Yes, you would get many types of useful and not so useful feedback. Don't worry about people saying it's not a good idea or it's cliched, etc. etc. Rather, pay attention to feedbacks which are specific and you find scope of improvement. Day 4 emphasizes precision in vocabulary. We aim for word choices that captivate readers. For this, we need to connect with other writers and get feedback on our work. So it's a good idea to create or join a writing club. There are many writing clubs and workshops available online as well. Today, write a short story in English. Choose a topic that you are interested in and that you think you can write about in a creative way. Try using the new words and phrases you have learned to make your writing more interesting. Share it in the group and get feedback and be willing to make changes. Write down any mistakes you notice in the writing in order to avoid making the same mistake in future. And now, the most important task of the day. Set aside some time to practice your English speaking skills. This is important as it will help you to improve your fluency and pronunciation and therefore your writing. You can practice your speaking skills by talking to friends, family members, or teachers. You can also practice by listening to English podcasts or watching English movies and TV shows. Day 5 is where we master adding depth and sophistication to our writing. For this, start the day by reading an English newspaper or magazine to improve your reading comprehension and vocabulary. Practice your English writing by writing a different kind of text such as a poem, a letter, or a news article with the aim to experiment with different writing styles. Choose a type of text that you are interested in writing and that you think you can write well. Revise and edit your writing and ensure that it is clear, concise, and error-free. When you revise your writing, take a step back and read it carefully. Look for any areas that need improvement, such as grammar, spelling, or clarity. The final step in the writing process is always proofreading. You can use a grammar checker and spell checker to help you identify any errors. Get feedback on your writing from your mentor or a native English speaker and be open to suggestions and be willing to make changes. On day 6, we ensure our writing is credible. Start by reading an English novel or short story and focus on the vocabulary and writing style. Find on which essence is captivating. Next, watch a documentary about English language and culture to learn about the history and development of English language, as well as the cultural aspects of English-speaking countries. There are many documentaries available online and in streaming services, so you can find one that is interesting to you. Now, the most important task of the day. Write a blog post. This is a great way to practice your skill and to share your thoughts and experiences with others. When you write your blog post, be sure to include your thoughts on the novel or short story, as well as your experiences learning English. Share it with your friends and be sure to ask them for their thoughts and feedback. Reflect on your progress to identify areas where you need improvement. When you reflect on your progress, think about what you have learned and how you can improve your English skills in future. Our week ends with day 7, refining our advanced writing. The key is to brainstorm ideas for a new writing project. You can brainstorm ideas by free writing, mind mapping, or talking to friends and family. Once you have a topic, you can start writing a rough draft of your thought. This is where you will get your ideas down on paper without worrying about grammar, spelling, or punctuation. Once you have a rough draft, it is helpful to get feedback from a friend or family member. This can help you to identify areas where your writing can be improved. After you have gotten feedback, you should revise and edit your writing. This is where you will make changes to improve the grammar, spelling, punctuation, and clarity of your writing. And then the final step in the writing process, proofreading your writing for grammar and spelling errors. This is important to ensure that your writing is free of errors. Once you are happy with your writing, you can submit it to a writing contest or magazine. This is a great way to get your writing published and to get feedback from other writers and keep you going. This was the explanation of 7-day writing challenge planner. If you want to download the soft copy of the planner, find the link in the description. To dive into the beginner's plan, check out my next video. Meanwhile, don't forget to the 3 clicks, like, share and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.